What if I told you that you could cut your daily cleaning time in half with just a few clever tricks? Imagine having a fresh, spotless home without the stress or wasted effort. Welcome to today's guide on smart hacks for daily cleaning. Keeping a home clean doesn't have to be overwhelming or time-consuming. With the right strategies, you can simplify your routine, save money, and still enjoy a tidy, healthy living space. Simple definition: smart cleaning hacks are simple, efficient techniques that use everyday items or optimized routines to keep your home consistently clean with less effort. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Start with high-traffic areas like the kitchen and living room. Wipe surfaces immediately after use to prevent build-up. Step 2. Use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away, like putting dishes in the sink or folding a blanket. Step 3. Keep a multi-purpose spray and microfiber cloth in each room to tackle quick messes instantly. Step 4. Use baking soda and vinegar for natural cleaning solutions, perfect for sinks, countertops, and glass. Step 5. Vacuum or sweep lightly every evening to prevent dust accumulation. Step 6. Rotate deeper tasks, like bathroom scrubbing or fridge cleaning, across the week instead of doing everything at once. Tools explained. Essential tools include microfiber cloths, a lightweight vacuum, a broom, a mop, a spray bottle, and scrub brushes. For natural cleaning, baking soda, vinegar, and lemon are cost-effective and highly effective. Quick tips: declutter before you clean to save time. Set a 10-minute timer daily to stay consistent. Use door mats to reduce dirt entering your home. Keep cleaning supplies in easy-to-reach spots. Cost comparison: buying multiple branded cleaners can cost $50 to $100 monthly. By using multi-purpose solutions like vinegar and baking soda, you can reduce that cost to under $15 while still maintaining the same level of cleanliness. Mini workflow: declutter, wipe surfaces, handle quick tasks immediately, spot clean with multi-purpose spray, sweep or vacuum, rotate deep cleaning jobs. Professional notes: always clean from top to bottom so dust falls to areas you'll clean later. Switch to microfiber cloths instead of paper towels to save money and reduce waste. Stick to consistent daily routines rather than occasional big cleans to maintain a healthier environment. We explored how smart cleaning hacks like wiping surfaces immediately, using natural solutions, and following a quick daily workflow make your home cleaner, faster, and more affordable to maintain. Now it's your turn to put these hacks into practice. Start with just 1 or 2 changes today and notice the difference in your daily routine. If this guide helped, like this video, subscribe for more practical tips, and share it with anyone who wants a cleaner home without the extra effort.